this video, I will show you 3 visual card tricks that will fool your science teacher. So, let's get started. The first one is a visual card trick done by the famous magician Harry Houdini, where I wave my hand over a card and it changes. For doing this, at first I do a double lift, that is turning 2 cards as one. Then with my fingers closed, I push the top card forward and using my palm as a cover, move out the bottom card and slide it over on top of the top card. And it looks like that the card just changed. This next one is pretty unusual. I take a playing card and show the face to the spectators, turn it towards myself, and as I flip it back, it changes. For this, I again do a double lift, then move the rest of the deck aside. I hold the cards diagonally and with the rest of my fingers, I slide out the front card. And I do that while turning the cards towards myself, secretly palming it. And as I flip the card back, the face has already changed. And to get rid of the palmed card, I simply grab the deck of cards, and that way the card goes back to the top of the deck. This one is the most visual of all. As I shake the card, it changes. For doing this, at first I take a single card, turn it over, and then pick 2 cards back to back. I use my thumb and ring finger to grab the cards diagonally and pick it up in a vertical alignment, and then raise my hand to my chest level. Then I twirl my wrist and shake my hand sideways. When both of these done fast, the rectangular card looks symmetrical. And during that, I use my index finger to flip the cards. Putting all of these moves together, the card looks like it visually changed. So that's how these 3 simple yet visual card tricks can be done, which will definitely fool your science teacher, as these are all done using sleight of hand.